Hello guys, and welcome back once again to my English comprehension exercise. We're going to be talking today about another homophone word. The words I'm speaking about is broken, B-R-O-K-E-N, and broke, B-R-O-K-E. But before we get into this English comprehension exercise, please like my page as always and hit that subscribe button for me down there if you have not already done so, and as always it would be greatly appreciated. So let's get started on these two homophone words. Homophones are words that sound the same, but they have totally two different meanings. So we're going to be going into this lesson right now. So let's talk about the difference between broken and broke. Many people use these words incorrectly. So let's look at each word separately. First, let's look at the word broken, B-R-O-K-E-N. Broken is an adjective that means shattered or damaged. An adjective describes a person, place, or thing. Let's use an example in a sentence. In some sentences here. The toy is broken. He has a broken toy. The bone is broken. I have a broken bone. So those are some suggestions using a sentence using the word broken. So let's use the word broke, B-R-O-K-E. We can use the word broke in two ways. One, broke can be an adjective that means without money, don't have any money. Let's use this as an example in a sentence, some sentences. I lost my job. Now I am broke. I don't have any money. Let's look at another sentence. He cannot pay for dinner because he is broke. He doesn't have enough money or don't have any money. Okay? Let's look at one more sentence using the word broke. The broke company lost their business. The company does not have any money. And let's look at broke in another way, in another form of the verb form, break. Broke can be the past tense form of the verb break, B-R-E-A-K. Let's use these in three examples. The toy broke yesterday. He broke a bone when he fell out of the tree last week. And the last one. The cat broke the glass last night. In review, guys, let's use this sentence as an example. I break a mirror. Break is a verb. The past tense form of break is broke. I broke a mirror yesterday. In this sentence, broke is a verb in the past tense. I cannot say the mirror is broke. That is incorrect. The mirror is broke would mean that the mirror does not have any money. You understand? I should say instead, the mirror is broken. Remember guys, when broke is used as an adjective, it means you are penniless or without money. No money. So that's the English comprehension exercise today, guys. I hope you like this video lesson. Study it often. Homophone words English language can be very confusing. So until next time, always hit that like page for me, guys, and hit that subscribe button if you have not already done so. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. Until next time, guys, go out there and make it a great day. And I will see you during the next video. Okay? Bye.